astronomical quest is North America's most famed astrologer, Mr. Puru Prasad.
You are leading a good life with honesty and dedication and devotion towards God. Your forefathers are very happy. Loka samasta sukhino santu.
Hi everybody, welcome back to Astro Guide. Now we're going to be giving you your astro forecast, which is just for this week, and it is the first week in the month of August.
Yeah, though it's the 31st of July, but of course your Monday starts with August. So first of all, I wish every one of you best good luck, best of luck, and all the blessings of the Mother Nature for the month of August. Now let us join together to pass on our good wishes to those who are celebrating their birthday during this week, and to those couples whose marriage anniversary is falling during this week. May God shower good luck upon them throughout the year. So now is your astro forecast, which is always a journal, as we say that we divide the whole world into 12 signs. And these predictions are as per zodiac sign, not with moon sign, which is from Indian astrologers say. This is zodiac sign. You can place yourself with the date of birth. But the predictions are as per the transit in Vedic system. So that way it has become more accurate. Now Aries Janke Mesh Rashi. Aries people, if you want to have promotion, you must upgrade your techniques. And if you have got a children, please be extra careful, because if they are teenagers, then you are to be chances of getting bad news from them. Just watch, talk to them frankly, what type of friendship they are having in their education sphere. So that's the only thing. I'm just waking you up. I'm not scaring you off. Taurus Jani Brek Rashi. Taurus people will be getting, maybe buying a property or selling a property, or means property related business will be more occupying your life, or your household, cleaning, painting, that type of thing will be, but cash flow will be very good. This is a very good week for you. Gemini, Mithun Rashi. Gemini people will be getting may get some guests from overseas, and or you may be talking to your relatives in overseas. And those who are Gemini are in communication business, through internet, through telephone, telemarketing, like that. Means communication. Through communication you will make more money and success is assured. Cancer Jani Kark Rashi. Shower of wealth. I advise you people to buy a lottery. Who knows that? Rest it depends upon your individual horoscope also. Any held up money, insurance claims, I always get calls that uncle you said this thing and we definitely got our insurance claim. Leo Jani Singh Rashi. Success and success. Whether it's a politics, it's a business, it's a court case, it's an interview. So success is there for you. Virgo Jani Kanya Rashi. Virgo people, do not trust anybody, do not lend and borrow money during this week, and check your credit card statements. And there is something fishy you will find. So be careful with that. Rest income will be fine. The rest life is going very well for you.
Okay. Well, we're going to take a quick break, and when we come back, we'll have the rest of the signs for you, starting with Libras. Hi everybody, welcome back to Astro Guide. Hope that you're enjoying the show. Now we're picking up with the Astro forecast, which is for this first week of August. We're picking up with Libras and going all the way to Pisces. Now if you missed your sign, you can just check it on Mr. Ghoshall's website. You can check the show, and you air it the day before.
Yeah, weekly forecast. It comes in a video, yes.
Okay.
Okay. Now Libra, Janitula Rashi. So Shruti is also one among them. Libra people, you will be getting praise from your brothers, sisters, your all relatives. This is a yoga for fame. Famous होना, मतलब इंसान famous हो जाता है किसी न किसी बात के लिए. So this is that yoga for the Libra people this week. And so of course when you're famous, money also start coming because some of your works done will get a recognition. Scorpio, yani Vrishchik Rashi. Scorpio people will be expanding their activities like it's just like a war-like progress is visible to me, this for Scorpio people. This week, Scorpio people are going to expand their business. If you are in business, you will be doing excellent in business. In job, you will be promoted. You will be running like anything, doing things very fast. I mean, you will be just like a super fast train. Sagittarius, Janke Dhan Rashi. Sagittarius people will be the most blessed. All their good karmas done in the past, maybe in this birth or in previous births, will come for their rescue. And if they want to get their if you Sagittarius people, you want to get your cherished desires fulfilled, pray to the Almighty God in yourself. Do not show off. You can get your cherished desires fulfilled because wherever you are, God is there. Capricorn, then Makar Rashi. Capricorn people are warned for proper medication. Chances of some allergic reaction is there or slip and fall injuries there. So please be careful, then you are fine. If you do not take risk, then life will be fine. Aquarius, Janike Kumbh Rashi. Aquarius people, this is the time if you are single, eligible for marriage, advertise or look into the advertisement. Start corresponding yourself, but your parents should know it. And if the parents will try for their Aquarius son or daughter, that will be successful during this week. Pisces, Janike Meen Rashi. Pisces people will be they will be climbing the success, but the ladder is a little longer than normal. So you will have to climb harder to reach your goals. But goals are there, achievements are there, only with hard labor. Nothing is going to fall on your lap. Thank you for joining us. Till next week, may God bless all of you. Samasta loka sukhino bhavantu. O God, shower this planet with peace, peace, peace and prosperity.
Well, that's all the time that we have for Astro Guide this week. Mr. Ghoshal, thank you so much for all your wisdom and guidance. Looks like we have some good horoscopes to look forward to.
You are always welcome.
And we'll see you same time, same channel next week. Take care. Joining me in this astronomical quest is North America's most famed astrologer, Mr. Puru Ghoshal.
You are leading a good life with honesty and dedication and devotion towards God. Your forefathers are very happy. Loka samasta sukhino.